Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video, we are going to solve time conversion. Given a time in 12-hour AM PM format, convert it to military time. So it is just a straightforward question. You can see the notes for further corner conditions and all. Let's check the input and output. This is the sample input. It is a string. They have a AM and PM to indicate the meridian. The output is a 24-hour military time format. Let's solve the problem. We have the string. Let's have the meridian is last two characters. So from the last two characters, in Python this is called string slicing. This will get the last two characters from the string. Let's check for the condition. If meridian equal to PM. Now we are checking for the evening time for this test case. If it's have PM means we have to add 12 plus the remaining number of hours. And one corner test case is we don't need to have 12. Like string, this will get first two characters not equal to 12. If it's 12 means we don't need to add remaining hours. Let's say yes. String of 12 plus int of yes 12. This is the whole string. We will add the remaining string. That will be from the second character. The remaining string will be added. Another case is if the meridian is AM and first two characters is equal to 12. That means we have to change the first two characters to 0, 0. That is this hint. So if it is 12 AM means we have to convert 0, 0 instead of 12 as equal to 0, 0 plus the rest of the string. Let's return the result. Yes, -2. This will return the result without the meridian format. Let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. This is the end of the warm-up section. If you have any queries, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.